So we got here a nice case, and in this case comes these really nice white earbuds. You can get these in black if you so wish, by this company. They're waterproof, 5.0 sounds, quick charging, and also the case can be charged with the supplied cable, or it's a wireless charging case. So you just put this like that on a wireless pad and it will charge the case that way. Premium audio sound, definitely. I've got some music playing. I don't know how much you'll hear through this video, but I can hear them from where I'm sitting, so they're quite loud if you wish so. Touch control. And you can see you can stop the music, take phone calls, fast forward your music track. I mean, yeah, I think they do a lot, to be honest. I think for the money they're great value, but I do like the design. I think they're nice and light. But I do like sort of these shorter stem earbuds. I think they look much nicer. They look like the certain branded name that I won't mention, but we know what we're talking about, don't we? So I think for money they're good value. Sound quality's excellent. I've been playing music through them solidly. Battery life seems to be very good. And what's great, obviously, when you are getting low on your power or you're finished, just stick them back in. Look, you just stick them back in there. Music's off and they get charged. So I think they're lovely. And like I say, setting up was really simple. There's nothing to complain about. I think they look stunning, and also I like the size of the case. I mean, that is like ideal for a lady's handbag, or for a guy to put in his jacket pocket or in his jean pocket. So yeah, I think it's a very nice quality product. Came nicely boxed up, nice clear instructions. I do like clear instructions, and it tells you exactly how to use them. Thanks for watching my video.